one. We say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can...
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious, mouth-watering recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some coconut stewed chicken. Yes, right in the comfort of your kitchen. I'm telling you, this right here, it's gonna be super delicious and so mouth-watering. I know that you all are gonna enjoy it. Yes, so please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also do share it and subscribe to my channel so you can receive more amazing, delicious recipe like these. Thank you all so much for all the love and your support. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for the video. So guys, I just want to read you all a Bible verse, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from Matthew 11 verse 28. So this is the word of the Lord. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. Remember that God loves you so much and that He have a great plan and purpose for your life. Stay blessed, and thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. So this is my chicken right here, and this is at least 3 pounds of chicken. I have leg and thigh that I finally chopped up. I will show you on how I cut it. And this is half onion that I cut. You can cut it in whichever size you prefer. Sweet pepper. I have the green and the red. Okay. Scallion, over 1 stalk of scallion. At least 3 to 4 cloves of garlic that I finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of my fresh thyme. And I also have scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, and half of carrot that I cut also. Yeah, as I said, you can cut it in whichever size you preferred. And 1 tomato, 1 small tomato. Okay, this is my coconut milk, and this is at least 1 cup. Okay, and these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of my black pepper. You can use any season of your choice, okay? So firstly, I'm gonna add my onions. Yeah, like so. Then I'm gonna add my sweet pepper. Carrot. Scallion. My fresh thyme, just a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper. You don't need a lot because you know that scotch bonnet pepper can be spicy. Garlic. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of my pimento seed, otherwise as allspice. My seasoning, I'm gonna mix it in. I'm gonna leave back a little bit of my seasoning for further use for my gravy, at least this amount. All right, just put it to the side. Tomato. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some of my browning. Yeah, I'm only gonna add a little bit of browning. You don't need a lot. Oops. At least ½ teaspoon. If it need more, I will just add it. But you don't want to add, so much at once. Take your hand and just massage all that seasoning all over on your chicken. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more of my browning. Yeah. So that's at least over 1 teaspoon in total.
Thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing, delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the...
So this is how I cut my chicken, not too big. Yeah. So that's all done. You can always leave it to marinate for at least an hour or even overnight. Yeah, but it is totally optional because once you season your meat, your chicken, anything that you're cooking properly, it will still be delicious regardless. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook this right now and it's still gonna taste good. So that's perfectly seasoning. So now I'm gonna cook my chicken. So to my pot I add at least over 1 tablespoon of oil. So I'm just gonna add my chicken. Try and shake off any excess onion, sweet pepper. I'm gonna leave it like this for at least 3 to 4 minutes, okay, for it to sear. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it now. Here, turn it over. The smell is just amazing. This is gonna be so good. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it up for at least 4 minutes. Alright? So all that flavor will combine. So after 4 minutes or so, I'm gonna remove the lid. Look at that. See all that liquid? Yes, that's exactly what you want. It looks so good. Look at all this liquid it creates. Look at that. Created its own juice. Smells so good. Yeah, this is the bowl that I use to season my chicken. And to that bowl, I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of water. Yes, you don't need a lot. Remember, I'm gonna add the coconut milk. Mix it in. I'm gonna also add the coconut milk to it. So now I'm gonna add it all to my pot. Yes, like so. And I also have a small potato, so I'm gonna add it that I cut. Yeah. This is just gonna allow the gravy to thicken up. Then now I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning and ½ teaspoon of salt. And just turn up your stove. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of my browning because I don't like it to be too white. So I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of ketchup. Yeah, you don't need a lot, just a little bit. Looks so good already. I'm gonna leave it allow it to cook for at least 25 minutes. I'm gonna cover it up.
Coming at the kitchen, Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want.
So guys, my coconut stew chicken is all finished, and I'm telling you, it is cooked to perfection. It looks super delicious. I'm just gonna remove my lid. So it's been cooking for over 25 minutes in total. Oh my gosh, look at that. My mouth is watering. This recipe right here, it is a must try. Look at that gravy.
For more of these amazing, delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.
Now guys, I'm gonna add it to my plate. You can serve it with some rice and peas, some plain rice, some mashed potato, anything of your choice. Boiled dumpling, banana. Absolutely delicious. Let I add some scallion on top just for presentation. It is totally optional. So there you have it. This is how I make my coconut brown stew chicken. Yes, please, if you try it, do not forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. Also give this video a thumbs up and do share it. Now keep it to yourself. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye and do enjoy. Absolutely delicious.